The next graph we'll discuss is a constant function, and a constant function is a horizontal line. So let's take a look at what values you will plug into this function. So this function is always y equals some number. In this case of the graph you see here, it crosses the y-axis right down here at -3. So y equals -3. So your y value will always be the same. It doesn't matter what x value you plug in. You can plug in any x value you want, but no matter what, your y value will be -3. So for example, if you plug in a -2 and go -2 over, you're still going to go down 3. If you go over -1, you're still going to have to go down 3. If you're at 0, you still have to go down 3 to get on the line. Over at 1, you still have to go down -3. So you get the trend here. Now let's look at the characteristics of a constant function. So we first want to find out where this function is it increasing, moving from left to right in an upward motion. There are no intervals of increase, and there are no intervals of decrease where it's moving from left to right in a downward motion. Let's move on to, is this graph continuous? In other words, can we sketch or draw it without lifting up our pencil? And the answer is yes. I can start here from -infinity and go all the way to +infinity and never lift up my pencil. So yes, from -infinity to +infinity. Domain, how far extends to the left and how far extends to the right? Again, because we have these arrows on both ends, it's going to go forever to the left and forever to the right. So that's from -infinity to +infinity. Now, range is not going to be from -infinity to +infinity because range is how high and how low. So the graph is not going to go anywhere up here, and it's not going to go anywhere down there. The only point where the graph is at -3. So your range is simply -3.